Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Ulefone Rugking 4 Pro. And not long ago I introduced you to the Ulefone Rugking here on the K-Tech channel. That was the regular version and this one is the 4 Pro. And I'll tell you, during this video, all the differences between it and me. I'll leave the link to buy this smartphone in the official Ulefone store on AliExpress and also on the official Ulefone website here in the video description. And if you're short on cash, you can enter the giveaway for this one I'm holding right here directly through the very important person groups on WhatsApp or Telegram. You'll find all the links here in the video description. And don't forget guys to leave a like, which really helps a lot. Check if you're subscribed to the channel, hit the notification bell and share it as well to help us out, alright? Now let's get to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of this new release, Ulefone Rugking 4 Pro. Let's go to the video. Let's get started. Starting the unboxing, it's a traditional yellow box from Ulefone. On the top, you have the model, and below that, the RAM and its certifications. On the side label, we have the International Mobile Equipment Identity Codes and the product version, and on the back of the box, its main features. Opening the box, we immediately see the envelope, and inside it we have an ejector pin, a quick start guide, a warranty certificate, and a glass screen protector. And right below, that's where we have the device, and underneath it, a USB Type-C charging and data transfer cable on both ends, a carrying strap, and an 18-watt power charger. Now with the device already in hand and fully set up, we have a 6.56-inch in-plane switching liquid crystal display screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and we also have a maximum brightness of 500 nits. You can see here an 8-megapixel front camera in a teardrop style, and here we already have the first difference of the Rugking. From the normal version to this one, the 4 Pro, its screen is a bit bigger on this one, and it has a 120 Hz refresh rate, while the other version only has 90 Hz. It has a bit of a tricky grip, especially for those with small hands. You might drop it more easily, but that's not a problem. It's certified so you can rest assured that it won't break. It's a bit thick and a bit heavy too. It weighs 405 grams and is 1.92 centimeters thick, almost 2 centimeters. On the back, we have the cameras with a flash and an integrated flashlight. It has a really nice design and a camouflage back with the Ulefone logo centered. For sure, man, it definitely deserves that nice slap on the back. On the right side, there's the volume up and down buttons and the power button with a fingerprint reader on the top part. There's a cavity that I don't know if it's just for aesthetics or if it serves some purpose, but I can say it's not a speaker output. And I couldn't find this information on the official website or anywhere else either. Anyway, if you know what it is or what it's for, leave it here in the comments. On the left side, there's a little tray and a walkie-talkie button. You can also customize it as a quick access button for any app. And on the bottom, there's a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a connection for the charging dock. It doesn't come with any artificial intelligence installed, only the Gemini app, but it does have photo editing features that do a great job. Guys, check this out. 10,200 mAh battery. This device will give you 2, maybe even 3 days of use without needing to charge it. The battery is really good. Now let's move on to the processor test I did with this guy here. The Unisoc T7250 12 nanometers scored 404,000 points on Antutu. It's a basic score, heating up to 31.1 degrees and losing 4% battery. Now let's run some footage playing with it. Opening up Asphalt Legends. It allowed me to set it to 60 FPS, but it recommends lowering it to 30 to avoid stuttering, so I left it at 30 FPS. But even so, man, it still had some little lags, some small delays, some stutters that you can notice on the screen. Okay, guys? It's a basic processor. Of course, you're not going to get that monstrous processing power from it. You can't expect it to handle heavier tasks. For this device, it's just for the basics, like social media, videos, WhatsApp, editing text, and really light stuff too, graphics-wise. It's nothing too heavy, but it's a processor that for your daily use will serve you really well. It's worth remembering that this device costs less than 1,000 rials in China, so you'll have to pay the import tax. If you import it through AliExpress, the price nearly doubles, but it's still under 1,000 rials. We have to consider that too. It comes with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H certification. It is resistant to high-pressure water jets and can also withstand drops from up to 2 meters high and submersion for up to 2 meters in 30 minutes. As for the operating system, we have pure Android 15 running on the device. It also features near-field communication connectivity for making contactless payments. On the back, we have a very strong flashlight, man. It's small, but believe me, it's really powerful. It also comes with a toolbox, which is very useful for those who are going to work using a smartphone. That helps a lot. It also has a fingerprint unlock on the side of the screen and facial unlock that works well. They're a bit slow, but they work fine. And there's only one version of it with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It has a tray that accepts 2 nano SIM cards, 4G in the front, and a micro-secure digital in the back so you can expand its memory. And it doesn't have eSIM support. Now let's move on to its audio and video test. Alright guys, here in my hand is the audio and video test of the Ulefone Rugking 4 Pro. Let's check the advanced quality settings here. It supports up to 1080p set. Alright, let's turn the brightness all the way up, and now let's rotate the screen and apply the loom pinch, also to the maximum. There you go, it's mono audio. Let me show you. It only comes out from the bottom here, but it's really loud audio. By the way, guys, the image is good, okay? It's consistent with the device for the price range it costs, and the audio, even though it's mono, is also very strong. I thought it was really good. Now let's start talking about cameras. Here on the front, we have an 8 megapixel camera, recording at 1080p full high definition 30 FPS. Let's go ahead and take some photos and videos with its front camera. Hey guys, front camera of the Ulefone Rugking 4 Pro. Maximum resolution, full high definition 30 FPS, just like it was on the rear camera too. Walking here a little bit, we don't have stabilization and the image looks very white. The image is very blown out. But let's see here. Then moving on to the computer, I'm giving you all a spin. Already from a walk, one of these here. There are a lot here because of the floor, but that's actually on purpose. The stabilization of the devices is good, it is, but it's for you guys. Front camera, the phone ranking 4 guys. I don't know what you guys thought of the front camera. I thought the images were a bit blown out. They're very, very white, really overexposed. A quality like this, simple, very basic, really just a basic camera just for you. There's no kind of struggle. Remembering that the device is very cheap, so we can't really expect too much from it. And now on the back, we have 2 cameras, a main one with 48 megapixels and a second one, a 2 megapixel macro, both also recording in full high definition at 30 FPS. Let's take photos and videos with its rear cameras. Here guys, recording with the rear camera of the phone. Ranking 4 Pro. Resolution. Maximum 1080 30 FPS, full high definition 30 FPS. Okay, let's check the focus here. Quick focus, nice. Now let's check the zoom here. We can go up to 344 times. Okay, 4x zoom while holding it in my hand. It's not stabilized. Let's go back to 1x now. A truck. Just a bit. It's a regular camera, a simple camera. It doesn't have stabilization, not even electronic stabilization anyway. A simple basic camera. Alright, there you go then. Rear camera of the Ulefone Rugking 4. Alright guys, the rear cameras are similar to the front one. Basic, simple, and meant for everyday use. You won't be left hanging. You can take a photo, record a little video, just simple stuff. Nothing too advanced, just the basics. And now let's go to our final summary with the positive points of this device. In my opinion, the first positive point is definitely the battery. It's monstrous. The device's certifications are also very good, including military certification, near-field communication connection, which is also very helpful, and most importantly, its price, which is excellent as well. And now let's go to the negative points, starting with the processor, which is also very basic, and the cameras, both front and rear, are also very simple. The screen could use more brightness and higher resolution. What do you think of this device? Share your thoughts in the comments. Whether you like the video or not, remember to hit like. If you haven't yet, please do so. Also, check your subscription, turn on notifications, and share to support us. Alright, we're in this together, guys. Thank you all so much. God bless you. A big hug and see you next time. Thanks, I'm out.